Changing the app icon size on Android can be a simple process that allows you to customize the look and feel of your home screen. To start, you will need to access the settings menu on your device. This can usually be found by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Once you are in the settings menu, look for the display or home screen settings option. This may vary depending on the device you are using, but it is usually found in the main settings menu. Tap on this option to open the display settings. In the display settings, look for the home screen or launcher settings option. This is where you will find the option to change the app icon size. Tap on this option to open the home screen settings. In the home screen settings, you should see an option to change the grid size or icon size. This option allows you to adjust the size of the app icons on your home screen. Tap on this option to select from a range of different icon sizes. You can usually choose from a range of different icon sizes, from small to large. Select the size that you prefer, and the icons on your home screen will be adjusted accordingly. You can also adjust the grid size, which determines how many icons can fit on the screen at one time. In addition to changing the app icon size, you can also customize the look and feel of your home screen by adding widgets, changing the wallpaper, and rearranging the icons. To add a widget, long press on an empty area of the home screen and select the widget option. To change the wallpaper, long press on an empty area of the home screen and select the wallpaper option. It is also important to note that some launchers may have additional options for customizing the app icon size and home screen layout. If you are using a third-party launcher, you may need to access the launcher settings to change the app icon size. In conclusion, changing the app icon size on Android is a simple process that allows you to customize the look and feel of your home screen. By following these steps, you can adjust the size of the app icons on your home screen and make other customizations to the home screen layout. This can help to make your device more personalized and easier to use.